Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to explore some effective techniques to improve your concentration. Whether you're studying, working, or simply trying to focus on a task at hand, these methods can help you stay on track. Let's dive in. Technique 1. Mindfulness Meditations. First, let's talk about mindfulness meditation. This practice involves focusing on your breath and being present in the moment. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Practicing mindfulness for just 10 minutes a day can significantly improve your concentration over time. Technique 2. The Pomodoro Technique. Next, we have the Pomodoro Technique. This method involves breaking your work into intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. Start by setting a timer for 25 minutes. Work on your task without any interruptions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Stretch, walk around, or grab a drink. After 4 intervals, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps maintain high levels of focus by giving your brain regular rest periods. Technique 3. Eliminate distractions. Now, let's discuss the importance of eliminating distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. To concentrate better, identify and remove potential distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications on your phone and computer. Create a designated workspace that's free from clutter. If you're working from home, let others know when you need uninterrupted time. By creating an environment conducive to focus, you'll find it easier to concentrate on your tasks. Technique 4. Prioritize your tasks. Another effective technique is to prioritize your tasks. Start by making a list of everything you need to accomplish. Then, organize these tasks by importance and urgency. Focus on completing the most critical tasks first. This not only ensures that you're working on what matters most, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you check off items from your list. Using tools like to-do lists and planners can be incredibly helpful in staying organized and focused. Technique 5. Practice deep work. Lastly, let's talk about deep work. This concept, popularized by author Cal Newport, involves dedicating uninterrupted time to work on cognitively demanding tasks. To practice deep work, set aside specific blocks of time each day when you can work without interruptions. During these periods, focus solely on the task at hand. Avoid multitasking and give your full attention to your work. Over time, you'll find that you can concentrate for longer periods and produce higher quality work. So, improving concentration is a skill that can be developed with practice and the right techniques. By incorporating mindfulness meditation, the Pomodoro Technique, eliminating distractions, prioritizing tasks, and practicing deep work, you can enhance your ability to focus and achieve your goals. Thank you for listening, and I hope you find these techniques helpful in your day to better concentration.